Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're gonna do this one a little bit different today. Um, yes, my mic is on. We're doing this one a little bit different today. I found out, well, I didn't find out. I knew, but I forgot that me and the family got some business to take care of this morning, and I did not want to leave everybody hanging who enjoys the festivities of Tim's Tidbits. So I'm going to run through this real quick before the family and I have to depart. Um, Looking at what are goings on right now, I'm seeing that we do have divergence. The Dow is the strength leader. The NQ is the weakest link. The NQ has taken out yesterday's low already. Um, the ES is the red-headed stepchild in the middle. The Dow has not taken out the low. The ES has not taken out yesterday's low. So we do have divergence going on. The dollar is let me sit up. Y'all gotta excuse me if it sounds like I'm touching the mic. That's cause I am, because I'm bending over and talking because I'm not talking loud. So I'm just gonna hold the mic in my hand so I can sit up. Okay. Now, yo, what's up, Hines? Appreciate you for tapping in. Now, the let's go up. As you can see, I marked out a few things last night. To the upside, I marked out a 5 minute fair value gap above the buy side liquidity that I was watching. That 5 minute fair value gap was in between. It was inside the remainder of this hourly SIBI that was created by the 2 p.m. candle yesterday. And that fair value gap was 3 ticks. It was from 41.59.25 to 41.60. And then the buy side liquidity that I marked out was at um am I on? Yes. Okay, it was at 41.58.25 was where the buy side was resting that I was watching. The internal buy side, that is. The external buy side is above Wednesday's 10 p.m. candle, and that's at 41.73.50. The internal buy side that I was watching was above yesterday's 4 p.m. candle. That's at 41.58.25. And then I marked out a 5 minute SIBI that was in the bottom range of that hourly SIBI at 2 o'clock. And as you see, throughout the afternoon and the Asian and London session, we just consolidated inside that SIBI, or the 5 minute SIBI. Then the sell side that I was watching was below the 8 p.m. candle at 41.50.25. We took that sell side at 2 a.m. On the 2 a.m. candle. We took that sell side and then got down into the 5 minute BISI that I was watching, and that's in between 40. Let me see, where are we? The BISI is in between 41.43 and 41.48.50. So and then I marked out the consequent encroachment on the yesterday's 3 p.m. wick, the discount wick, the wick below it. That's an hourly wick. This hourly wick right here on the 3 p.m. candle. Did I say 3:15? The 3 p.m. candle. Um, so, and then the sell side, the external sell side that I was watching was 41.37. I believe that that's the draw right now. That 41.37. I believe that that's the draw right now. Um, as we came down, and like I said, we took out the sell side at the 2 a.m. candle, came all the way, and then on the 3 a.m. candle, we got down and filled the BISI the bodies of the candle, respecting the consequent encroachment of the wick and the BISI. Then we push back up into that SIBI, that 5-minute SIBI that was inside this hourly SIBI from the 2 p.m. candle. Got a rejection off of that, came back down and made equal lows on the 6 a.m. candle. And then now on this 7 a.m. candle that we're working on now, we came down and took out that low, and we're pushing back up right now. It appears that we may be forming a SIBI on the 6 a.m. candle for the hourly. It's we still got 20 minutes. We got 21 minutes or so left in this 7 a.m. candle. So this SIBI isn't official yet, but it looks like we're working on it. Let's look now. The dollar, looking at the dollar, I would love to see the dollar. This is what I would love to see with the dollar. This low, these relative equal lows here up on this consolidation, right there. What's that? 101,756. I would love to see the dollar attack that low. I would love to see the dollar attack that low and then reverse so that the ES can attack this. If this turns out to be a SIBI, attack this SIBI and then take that low. That's what I would love to see, right? So give the dollar, like, since the dollar, has not attacked this buy side up here, it took out this short-term buy side right there above this 3 p.m. candle here. It attacked that buy side there, got up into consequent encroachment of this 8 a.m. wick here, got into that consequent encroachment. Close enough for government work, got into that consequent encroachment and then came back down. Now I would love to see it attack this sell side there and then reverse to give the ES opportunity to attack that SIBI if it turns out to be one and drop down. Let's go down to the 5-minute and see how stuff are looking on the 5-minute. Okay, on the 5-minute, same, it plays out. The theory still plays out the same. I would love to see us again for the price action. Same thing. Everything is pretty much the same on the 5-minute. The details are the same. As you see from the sell side that I marked out, we were just kind of consolidating, doing a bunch of nothing up until 2:30. So at 2:30, we did at 2:15, we did kiss the sell side, just dipped, look like one tick below it. What's that? 41.50. Yes, we went one tick below it, and then we dropped. So at 2:30, we dropped, and then we pushed back up to the sell side into this fair value gap. What's the low on this? That was 50. Then we came back up to 41.50 at this 320 candle, right at the tick of that mitigation block right here. This 215 and 220 candle, right? And that's giving you a mitigation block right there because this low did not break a high over here. So that's a mitigation block. So we came back up into this fair value gap and stopped tick for tick with that mitigation block. And then we dropped, taking out that sell side, going below the wick, filling the fair value gap that we were watching, right? Got down into this order block. There's a 5-minute order block right there, right? Got into that 5-minute order block and then pushed back up, right? Took out this buy side. We got a breaking structure right there, pulled back into that fair value gap into that breaker, right? We have a breaker here, right there, right? Put into that breaker, that fair value gap, right? Institutional order flow entry drill on that breaker. Went a little bit deeper than, normal, but it's still, we barely went into it, left it vastly open. Then we pushed up, taking out the buy side again, and going just above the buy side one more time. Had a nice breakdown here after going above. We have 1, 2, 3 ticks up, heavy breakdown, right? Breaking market structure, retrace back up into this fair value gap, right? Into this fair value gap, into this breaker, right? Went into this breaker, went tick for tick with that order block. The order block there, the low on that is 41.52. The high on this candle right here is 41.52. So we went tick for tick with that order block into that breaker, into that fair value gap. Then we dropped it like it's hot. Right now we've taken out sell side again, taking out sell side here, and we have a 5-minute volume imbalance in between the 625 and the 630 candle. We have a mitigation block here with the 605, 610, and 615 candle right there. We got a SIBI made by the 625 candle. So again, that plays into the theory that I was talking about on the hourly of the dollar. The ES coming back up into this area, right? On the 5-minute, I would love to see the ES come back up into this SIBI created by the 625 candle to attack these lows. I would love for the ES to leave this unfinished SIBI on the 555 candle and this breakaway gap on the 550 candle. I would love to see it leave all that area alone. I don't want it to go back, up into that area there, because when we left here, I'm looking at all of this over here at the top as being like a balanced price range right now. So I would love to see it get back up into this SIBI, maybe even do a institutional order flow entry drill, but giving it up to the mitigation block, the top of this fair value gap, that'd be a nice point. I would love to see it hit that and drop. That'll really show the bearishness to attack this sell side. If we got up to the top of that BISI, that the green area that we're watching, got to the top of there and drop. I would love to see that, and that would lend to the dollar attacking this sell side, right, and then mounting a reverse so that the ES can attack this area and then go after that sell side. That's what I'm watching right now. I won't be around to trade anything because me and the family got some business this morning. Maybe to give me something later in the morning or in the afternoon. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. This didn't want to leave everybody hanging because I forgot about our appointment. I remembered we had something to do today, but I forgot that it was in the morning. So again, if you're going to trade, please trade safe. Good morning here to Learn and Share. I see you popped in here. If you're going to trade, please trade safe. Good morning, Ramon. Yes. All is well. This just some personal family business that we're taking care of. And as we speak, look like the dollar is attacking that sell side. So I like to see that the dollar is attacking that sell side as we speak. It just hit it. It's at 750, 101, 753. So the dollar has attacked that sell side. So that part of my desires, my wishes has played out right here live with you all. Good morning, Elizabeth A. How are you? Yes. Thank you for your concern as always. Here to learn and share. All is well. No, there's no illnesses. There's no emergency. Good morning, Marcia. It's just that we have some business that I forgot about. And I had already set up the live stream and I had already told everyone that I would see you in the morning for the overnight price action. And I did not want to leave anybody hanging. So they may not get a chance to see it live, but it will be on Al Gore's internet. And I have kept my word for the day. It did. Uh, uh, I started to just do a video and share it with the channel members. And I said, you know what? I don't feel like editing. I don't feel like uploading. I'll just go live and talk, and then it'll be there for people to look at later. Anyway, I appreciate y'all, man. I really do. It's time for me to start getting myself together. So I will see you all at 6:30 for the price action. No, no, it's the weekly wrap up. It's Friday. I'll see y'all at 6:30 for the weekly wrap up. Enjoy your day. If you're gonna trade, please trade safe. If you're not gonna trade, please take a copious amounts of notes so you can go back and study those notes. If you have any desire to try to become a funded trader and you decide to use Apex, please use my link. There's a link in the description of this video. It's a 50% off sale, but if they're having a larger amount, just click that link and then change the coupon code to the larger amount. But I would appreciate you using my link if you decide to go with Apex. I'm not sponsored by Apex. That's just who I chose to go with. And again, I thank you all, and I'll see y'all at 6:30. Gone, man. Yep.